Hello, welcome back to my channel, it's Rini here. Today I'm going to be doing the MS Paint challenge. That is where I only use Microsoft Paint to make a piece of digital artwork. I've seen this challenge all over YouTube, but I think like it came into my mind recently because I saw a video by Simon from Simon A Arts. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing your channel name correctly, so I really apologize if I'm not. But I thought I'd have a crack at it. It sounds really fun, and I'm interested to try out the new functions because the last time I used MS Paint, it only had a couple of tools, and now there's all these fancy different ones and thickness and whatnot. So let's just dive in. Okay, so the pencil is the trusty pencil. These are sort of self-explanatory. Brushes. Okay, here's where the fancy thing starts. So brush. That looks like a thick pencil. Okay. Okay. All right, chisel. How does it know? Oh, there's no pressure sensitivity. Okay. What's the difference between that and opposite direction? Okay. Spray can, fine. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. There's some fading going on. Right. Marker. Oh, probably won't use that one. Oh, okay. Could be good for blocking. Oh, there's opacity in there. Nice. Okay. I didn't realize they overlay. Nice, okay. I'm going to be drawing a character that I sort of made up a while ago. I've only drawn 2 pictures of him. The first one being a side profile sketch where I felt like it really captured the feeling that I wanted him to emulate. And then a 3/4 side view. So this is the 3rd picture I'm drawing of him. He's probably not a good choice for this challenge because not only am I having to deal with the difficulties of using this program, but I'm also having to tweak a lot to get him to look like how I want him to look like. So it wasn't the smartest of choices, but we're going to stick with it. He's sort of meant to have a Hispanic look about him. I haven't decided exactly which country he's meant to be from, but the only thing I've got is his look and his name, which is Fernando. But yeah, I really hope to use him in a story one day, but I'm still developing his backstory and his personality and whatnot, although I kind of already have an intuitive feel as to what his personality is. I'm not sure if any of you know, but I'm primarily a digital artist and I love to paint digitally. But up until now, I was doing traditional art because I thought that's what people wanted to see. And like now that I have a few subscribers, I'm sort of wary of the image I'm putting out. I mean, I don't want to be a channel only known for marker art or for product reviews, and I'd rather it be known for my art on its own. So I think this video is a nice ease into digital art videos, and I want to do both traditional and digital. I won't be giving up marker art or traditional art, but I'd like to showcase both and showcase types of art that I enjoy doing for myself. So yeah, I hope this won't deter you from watching and supporting me, but if it does, you know, maybe this channel isn't your thing and that's okay. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Yeah, anyway, so enough of the serious talk. So recently I've been drawing a small fan manga for Zelda Breath of the Wild, and honestly, it's taken me ages, and I initially did it because I wanted to sort of get a feel for what storyboarding was like and how you actually make a comic, because I was thinking about doing something in the future, you know, making a webtoon account and like making a small comic and then eventually building up to something bigger. But I wanted to sort of get a taste before I actually committed to anything. And I will say it was really hard, extremely challenging, but I did learn a lot of things. And I'm still currently in the process of inking it and colouring, so if you like Zelda, stay tuned. Hopefully I will finish it in the next week or so, so look out for it. I think probably the hardest thing about this paint challenge is that when I use other art software, I tend to use the space bar to pan around quite a lot, so much so that it's become second nature to me. And because paint doesn't let you do that, it was so weird to draw without it. And also not being able to easily edit my picture, like use the transform function and tweak stuff and change my colors easily. It was a bit of a downside, but actually now that I think about it, it's probably a really good skill to draw without relying on those digital features. But I guess like for someone who's just getting into digital art, probably paint is not the best idea. There's tons of free programs out there like Krita, and I think Medibang is free. I've tried Krita, but I'm not sure if like it's my system, my computer, but it was a bit laggy. But yeah, I mean, when I started digital art, I started with a mouse and MS Paint, I think like most people. So, you know, I'm not gonna bash it. If it gets your foot in the door, then that's all that really matters. But you know, it's not a digital art program. It shouldn't be thought of as one. So this is the final product. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked Fernando. Let me know what you think of this video. And thanks for sticking around and watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.